Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning again.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
How do you do?
How do you do, sir?
Are you okay?
Yes.
Let us sing ABCD. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Let us sit down. I want you to read what I've written on the board. Let us read.
Language use.
Again.
Language use.
Yes, and under language use, today I want us to talk about describing words. Can you say describing words?
Describing words.
Again.
Describing words.
What is a describing word? A describing word is a word that talks more about a name. That talks more about a
Name.
talks more about a
Name.
like, for example, teacher is a name, isn't it?
Yes.
How is the teacher? How is the teacher? You can say short, isn't it? You can say tall. You can say fat. Sasawa. So, describing words talks more about a name. Like, for example, let us read these two sentences.
This is a tall man.
Again.
This is a tall man.
This is a tall. So, the name is man. And how is the man? A man is?
Tall. Tall.
Unajua tall?
Yes.
Tall inamaanisha
Red.
Yes, this is a tall man. So, tall is a describing word. Can you say tall is a describing word?
Tall is a describing word.
Let us read this second sentence. Again. This is an old
Woman.
Now, where is the describing word in that sentence?
Old.
Old, isn't it?
Yes.
Old is describing a name, woman. Is describing a name
Woman.
that the woman is old. The woman is
Old.
sawa.
Yes.
So I want us to read these describing words. Read this. Read this. Describing words. Describing words. And make sentences. And make sentences. We have these describing words. Can you read that one?
Big.
Again?
Big.
We have big. This one?
Small.
We have small. That one?
Black.
Yes?
Black.
That one?
Long.
Again?
Long.
Long. This one?
Short.
Yes?
Short.
This one?
Big.
Again?
Big.
This one?
Brown.
Again?
Brown.
Brown. This one? Yes?
Sharp.
Sharp. Then this one?
Guide.
Yes?
Guide.
Let us repeat again.
Big.
Again?
Big.
Here?
Small.
Yes?
Small.
Black.
Black.
Again? This one? 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 Yes? Can you say kind? Who will make sentences? Who will make sentences using these words? Can you raise your hand if you can make a sentence? Raise your hand and make a sentence. Yes, Habiba? Yes? My mother is a kind woman. Very good. Number one, sentence number one. My mother is a kind woman. Is a kind woman. Let us clap for Habiba. Another sentence. Raise your hand. Use any word here. Use any word there. Yes, Farah. My pencil? My pencil is small. Yes, very good. Number two. My pencil is small. Now I have the ruler here and the pencil. How is the ruler? How is the ruler? Raise your hand and then say, how is the ruler? Yes? Yes? How will you describe a ruler? Yes? Yeah? The ruler is short. Yes? Yes, you can say the ruler is short because you can see it is short. It is not long. It is not long, but it is short. So you will say the ruler is short. Any other sentence? Any other sentence using these describing words? Someone to use clean. Can you make a sentence using a describing word clean? Raise your hand. Yes, Ian. I clean my uniform every day. That's good. Another person? Don't shout. Just raise your hand and then say. Yes, Zakaria. My cloth is clean. Very good. Someone to use the word black. Raise your hand. Yes, Governor. Madam Governor. Yes? Yes? I'm not getting you. It is a long blackboard. Yes, it is a long blackboard. Farah? The blackboard is black. Can you clap for him? The blackboard is black. Someone to use the word short. Can you use the word short? The pencil is short. Another one, short again. Short again. My? Shut. Huh? How is the teacher? Am I short or am tall? How is the teacher? Eh? Am I short or tall? I'm tall. Yes, I'm short. Can you say the teacher is short? The teacher is short. Again? The teacher is short. How can you describe the teacher again? You can say the teacher is black. Am I not black? Eh? Am I not black? Yes. If I am black, you will say the teacher is black. Are we together? So those are describing words. Therefore, I want you to write more sentences. I have written up to 3. I want us to go up to 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Are you together? Make sentences using these describing words.